Podocarpus Icee Blue, an FAQ for plant enthusiasts. Hi, Ferbu here. I'm a plant enthusiast with a passion for unique and beautiful foliage. Today, we're diving into the world of Podocarpus Icee Blue, a captivating evergreen shrub or small tree that's sure to turn heads in your garden. This FAQ will answer all your burning questions about the Icee Blue, from its characteristics and care needs to its potential uses in your landscape. So, grab a cup of tea, settle in, and let's explore the wonders of this Icee Blue wonder. What is Podocarpus Icee Blue? Podocarpus Icee Blue, also known as Monmal Podocarpus, is a stunning evergreen conifer prized for its captivating blue foliage. It's a cultivar, a cultivated variety, of Podocarpus elongatus, native to South Africa. This slow-growing beauty can reach heights of 15 to 25 feet with an upright, pyramidal form. What makes the Icee Blue special? The star of the show is undoubtedly the foliage. New growth emerges as stunning lime gray blue, maturing to a cool, refreshing gray-blue-green. This unique color adds a touch of modern elegance to any garden. How does the Icee Blue compare to other Podocarpus varieties? There are several Podocarpus species, but the Icee Blue stands out for its exceptional blue hue. Podocarpus latifolius, for instance, has broader, darker green leaves, while Podocarpus henkilii boasts a more sprawling habit and less pronounced blue tones. Where can I plant my Icee Blue? This versatile plant thrives in full to part sun. It makes a fantastic specimen plant, adding a touch of vertical interest to your landscape. The Icee Blue also excels as a privacy hedge, creating a stunning and colorful barrier. How do I care for my Icee Blue? The Icee Blue is a relatively low-maintenance plant. Once established, it requires infrequent watering. Well-draining soil is crucial, as the plant doesn't tolerate soggy conditions. During the first year, regular watering helps the root system develop. You can fertilize in spring for optimal growth. Light pruning to maintain shape is possible, but excessive pruning isn't necessary. Is the Icee Blue difficult to grow? Not at all. The Icee Blue is a forgiving plant suitable for both novice and experienced gardeners. Its slow growth rate makes it manageable in smaller gardens, and its tolerance for a variety of conditions adds to its appeal. Is the Icee Blue cold hardy? The Icee Blue thrives in USDA hardiness zones 8 to 10. This translates to areas with minimum winter temperatures ranging from 10 to 40 degrees Fahrenheit. If you live in colder regions, consider container growing and bringing the plant indoors for winter protection. Are there any pests or diseases I should be aware of? The Icee Blue is generally pest and disease resistant. However, occasional infestations of scale or mealybugs can occur. These can be controlled with insecticidal soap or neem oil. Can I propagate my Icee Blue? Yes, propagation through stem cuttings is possible. Take cuttings in late spring or early summer, and follow proper propagation techniques to increase your chances of success. What can I plant with my Icee Blue? The Icee Blue pairs beautifully with plants that complement its cool color palette. Consider silver foliage plants like lavender or Russian sage, or flowering shrubs like crepe myrtles or azaleas. Where can I find an Icee Blue Podocarpus? Local nurseries specializing in unique conifers are a good starting point. You can also try online retailers that offer a wider selection of plants. Final thoughts. The Podocarpus Icee Blue is a captivating addition to any garden. Its unique blue foliage, slow growth habit, and low maintenance requirements make it a winner for plant enthusiasts of all levels. With proper care, this stunning evergreen will grace your landscape for years to come.